What's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Rafa back again, and in today's video we're going to talk about yesterday's trading session. I mean, you've seen me taking 50 grand profit off the table on Nasdaq yesterday. I shared this one in my free Telegram channel with everybody, so everybody had the chance to participate on that trade, made some money. But yeah, I was not really satisfied because I closed like 33% of my position. I closed one position from 3 positions. I made like 50k. But my initial risk was like 150k. So I really just took a little bit out of the market, and I was not really satisfied with this result. So later on, I took another sell position when my setup appeared. This one didn't work out. I was caught up in the consolidation, then I got stopped out. Pretty sad. Gave back the small profit, and it turned that day into a losing day with around 120k loss. Overall for the week, I'm still good in profit. I think we made like 5 trades this week. First one was a loss. The next 3 have been winners. First 2 were amazing big winners. Then yesterday one small winner, and then one more losing trade. Overall I ended up with around 12% profit for the week, around 900 grand, nearly 1 million. This week was amazing, even if I lost the last trade, but I don't really care about that. The week overall was amazing. Last months have been awesome. This year is awesome. Yeah, made a lot of money, guys. So I don't get bothered by these trades. When I lose a trade, man, that's part of the business, guys. You know, you can't win every trade, but just make sure to stick to your plan. If you see your setup appear, take it. And yeah, so what was happening yesterday, guys? Let's get into the chart. So we took out the days before high, right? We took out yesterday's high. We took it out just before the New York Stock Exchange opens. We took it out at around 8:30 New York time. And then the structure broke clearly to the downside, okay? At around 9:30, I was ready to sell this thing. So I jumped in when I saw the market was coming down at around 9:30. The market wants to go down. I took the sell. I've put my stop above this high. And when it started to move, I reduced my risk, put it above this high in here. And then as soon as I took my first profits at around 11,480, somewhere in this area, as soon as I saw that we took out this low in here, I started to take this one trade off the table, banked 50 grand and put my stop to break even. Then as you can see, the market slashed back pretty aggressive, pretty strong. And I was like, okay, that's it for today. Let's grab some food. So I was on my way to a restaurant. I wanted to eat something because I was hungry. I was in the mountains with some friends with my bike. Then I was at home, didn't have time to eat something. I was in front of the charts, took that trade, closed that trade, took that break even, and then I was riding to a restaurant, and I was still watching the chart when I was waiting for food. I was watching the chart, and then I saw that we broke structure in here. You see that? I mean, we have been in an uptrend, and then on the smaller time frames we broke structure in here, broke structure here, we broke structure here. And then I was like, okay, man, let's get in, man. Let's sell this thing. Put my stop above at around 11,650. And I thought like maybe it wants to come back now because we are still in a huge downtrend on S100, you know. So that's why I was trying to sell this thing. At the end, I was caught up in a consolidation, got stopped out, lost all the profits of that day, and ended up the day with a little minus of around 1.8% minus, something like that. But yeah, it is how it is. I should have stopped, guys. I should have stopped, but I was greedy. It was not enough for me. I thought like, man, I'm gonna get this drop. I'm sure it wants to drop again. I mean, we had a lot of liquidity sitting above here, you know, and I was like, okay, if we take it out, it probably wants to continue to the downside. But it was not like that, guys. It keeps pushing up. let's see what we got for today. It's Friday. Not sure if I'm going to take a trade today, but maybe if I see a nice setup, I'm going to try it. And yeah, maybe finish that week even stronger. Let's see, guys. But yeah, that's it for today. If you're new to this channel, make sure to check the links down below in the description. If you need my help, drop me a private message on Telegram. Join the free Telegram channel. And yeah, if you're looking for a structured course, if you want to learn all my trading strategies, trade management systems, and all that stuff that we use to make money in the markets, if you want to become a funded trader, if you want to start a career in the financial markets, then check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course as well. You will find the link down below in the description. Yeah, check it out. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Wish you a great day. Wait, I forgot something. Guys, it's December. We are facing Christmas. And I'm going to make a discount until the end of the year, so you have time. The whole December, I'm going to give you 20% off the Genius Trading Masterclass course. So if you're interested, use the discount code Christmas22. And yeah, enjoy the ride, man. Wish you a great day, guys.